Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends. Welcome to Meher's Fun Cuisine. Today I'm going to make something which was on demand from few of my friends to make chane ki dal ka halwa. So you need basic ingredients. This chana ka dal, obviously, sugar, ghee, and then there's some nuts which are optional. If you don't want it or if you don't like it, you can just, but it gives a nice taste and texture if you love them. Or milk. So here I have 2 cups of chana dal which I soaked it for like 5 hours before in plain water. You can do it overnight as well. So here I have 3 cups of whole milk. If you have the full cream milk, you can do 2 cups. That will be fine. So I'm going to put the chana dal directly here. We'll cook this dal with the milk until the dal is tender, and then we'll keep it to cool, and then we'll blend it in a blender. So I'm going to put a lid on the top, but I'll keep a little side open and keep watching it so the milk doesn't overflow. So as you can see, this pan is quite heavy, so the bottom will not stick, I'm sure. While this is on stove cooking on its own, you guys go subscribe, like, share, hit the bell, and give me nice comments. The milk has evaporated, and we'll check the dal. It's soft, so we'll keep it to cool, and then we're going to blend it in the blender. I've blended the dal to a nice paste, and now I'm going to put the ghee. I must have told you before, it's 1.5 cup of ghee to 2 cups of my chana dal. I've saved some of the ghee to spread it on my pan, so when the halwa is ready, I'm going to put it there. Before the ghee is hot, just put this and try to mix. On low flame, I'm trying to mix the ghee and the dal and everything. You have to keep stirring continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. This is the difficult part of the halwa. In the beginning, when you put the ghee, you'll feel that it's too a lot, but as you keep stirring it, the dal absorbs the ghee, and you have to keep stirring until you get the smell that it's done, and then we'll put the sugar. About 10 to 15 minutes you have to keep stirring it. Like that's without the sugar. After the sugar, you have to do it again. Mine is medium heat. I'm going to put my barfi when it's done on this tray. So I'm going to put some ghee. It's best to have a non-stick pan. Even then you'll have to keep stirring it. So it has been like 15 minutes and continuous stirring it. So this is a very good exercise for your arms. Definitely I'll lose at least 2 inches of my sleeves tomorrow morning. It's forming a ball kind of thing, and I would put the sugar at this point. It's 1.5 cup of sugar goes in here. Steady. It's not a lot of work, but only thing is stirring is too much. But when you serve it to the guest or you eat it yourself, you will get the energy back. There'll be a point when these mixture starts jumping, so be careful with that. Either wear a gloves or just be careful like I am being careful. You know that it's done when it starts leaving the pan from all sides. Then you know that the halwa is ready. You can also serve it as a halwa like this, or you can make squares or whichever shape you want, the katli. So today what I am making is a katli. I find it easier to serve that way. You can just pick, otherwise you have to give spoon and a small dessert bowl, and then maybe when it's a katli kind of thing or a square, you can just pick one and get out of here. I'm just tired. It's slowly starting to leave the sides, but still it is not done. You can see it's forming like a ball. At this point I'll put in the dry fruits. So I have some raisins. These are just optionals, whatever you want. Pistachio, I had taken 10 to 12 almonds, pistachio, and some I'll put for garnishing on the top. Okay, that's it. Ooh, great job. It's a little bit of hard work, but I have not seen anybody who has tried this and this halwa has not become their favorite. Anyone. You can put kyoda essence if you want, but to tell you the truth, I like the smell of this. This is the kind of ball I was waiting for. See? Everything came out at once. Flatten it with a spatula, like a smooth. I'll put some dry fruits. My husband doesn't like nuts at all. So whenever I make something, I take it out for him before I put the nuts. That way he can also try. How can somebody not like nuts? I love decorating things like the food, any halwa, with this silver paper. Just going to leave this for 10 minutes in winter and 20 minutes in summer, just in the open, and then we'll cut it into pieces. It is cool, and now I'm going to cut it. You can cut it in any shape, diamond shape, square shape, it's up to you. You're the boss at your own house. I'm not even watching you there. Thank you for watching my chane ka halwa. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon for more such recipes. Really delicious. See you again.